Hello, today let us discuss about vitamins, the functions, sources and the diseases which is caused by the deficiency of vitamins. Vitamins are a group of organic compounds which are essential for the normal growth and development of the body. These are required in small quantities through the diet because they cannot be synthesized by the body. There are two types of vitamins. They are fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. The vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins and the body stores these vitamins in fatty tissues and in the liver. The reserve of these vitamins stay in the body for several days to months. The dietary fat helps the body to absorb these vitamins through the intestine. The vitamin C and B complex vitamins are the water soluble vitamins. These do not stay in the body for long time. It cannot be stored and this leaves the body via urine. So we need more regular supply of water soluble vitamins than fat soluble vitamins. Now let us see fat soluble vitamins. The first one is vitamin A. It is also called as retinol. This contributes the production of retinal pigments. This is required for the normal functioning of epithelial and glandular tissues. This acts as anti-infective and it supports the growth, especially the skeletal growth. The sources of vitamin A seen in liver, egg, milk and milk products, fish, meat, carrot, yellow and green fruits. The deficiency of vitamin A leads to night blindness, also called as nyctalopia, conjunctival and corneal cirrhosis, bitoid spots, keratomalacia and xerophthalmia. Now let us see vitamin D. It is also a fat soluble vitamin. It is also called as dihydroxycholecalciferol. It promotes the intestinal absorption of calcium and phosphate. It stimulates the normal mineralization of the body. This permits the normal growth and the sources are liver, egg yolk, butter, cheese. Mainly the body gets vitamin D from the sunlight. The deficiency of vitamin D leads to rickets and osteomalacia. Next one is vitamin E. It is also called as tocopherol. It has antioxidant property. The sources of vitamin E seen in vegetable oil, cotton seeds, sunflower seeds, egg yolk and in butter. The last one is vitamin K. It stimulates the production of some anticoagulants. The sources of vitamin K seen in green leafy vegetables and cow milk. Now let us see water soluble vitamins. First one is vitamin C. It is also called as ascorbic acid. This acts as antioxidant in body. This plays an important role in tissue oxidation. Also, it helps the synthesis of collagen. The sources of vitamin C seen in fresh fruits, green leafy vegetables, fresh meat and in fish. The deficiency leads to scurvy. Next, let us see the vitamin B1. It is also called as thiamine. This is essential for the oxidative pathway of glucose in glucose metabolism. The sources of vitamin B1 seen in whole grain cereals, wheat, yeast, pulses, oil seeds and nuts, meat, fish and in eggs. In small quantity, the vitamin B1 seen in vegetables and in fruits. The deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to beriberi, vernix encephalopathy. Next one is vitamin B2. This is also called as riboflavin. It helps in cellular oxidation and it also helps to maintain the integrity of mucocutaneous structure. The sources of vitamin B2 seen in milk, egg, liver and in green leafy vegetables. The deficiency of vitamin B2 leads to angular stomatitis. Next one is vitamin B3. It is also called as niacin. This is essential for the metabolism of carbohydrate and it helps for the normal functioning of skin. It also helps for the functioning of intestinal and the nervous tissues. The sources of vitamin B3 seen in meat, poultry, fish, legumes and in groundnuts. The deficiency leads to pellagra, which is characterized by the 4 Ds. They are diarrhea, dementia, dermatitis and death. Next one is vitamin B5. This is also called as pantothenic acid. It has an important role in biosynthesis of corticosteroids. Next, we have vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. This is important for the metabolism of carbohydrate and amino acids. The sources of vitamin B6 seen in milk, liver, meat, egg yolk, fish, whole grain cereals, legumes and in vegetables. The deficiency leads to peripheral neuritis. The last water-soluble vitamin is vitamin B12, also called as cyanocobalamin. This cooperates with the folate in the biosynthesis of DNA. The sources of vitamin B12 seen in milk, cheese, fish, egg and in meat. The deficiency leads to megaloblastic anemia or pernicious anemia. I hope you understand this video. If you like the video, please like and share. If you want me to update any new topic, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you.